I look like a mess, but good morning everyone. Today we're doing a very productive day in my life with my 11-week-old son, and we're going to have a bunch of appointments today for Elijah. He has his last oxygen test today. I need to go pick up the actual test piece, and we also have to go to an appointment he has at the children's hospital, and yeah, just a bunch of productive things today. So let's get the day started. I look a hot mess, but I woke up at 5 to do his first feeding, and I just quickly tied my hair back. So this is why I'm waking up looking like now, but I guess it's fine because nobody wakes up looking like a supermodel, so it's whatever. Really hoping to be able to refresh my curls, but it doesn't look like it's heading that way today. So gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this. It's currently 10:04, so I gotta get the day started. Finishing up his first morning bottle. I need to charge my camera, so I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes. Currently planning our next family trip. Having a hard time deciding the timeline though, because of course now we're getting into the Valentine's Day area and things are going to be kind of lovey, let's say. For the time period we're kind of wanting to get out of town. We're planning on going to Glenwood Springs. I'm just looking at some cabins. I only found one house that I like, and Elijah is also going to have a breakdown. Riley's currently home for lunch, also watching videos. I've built a milk contraption. My sheets are in the wash, so just ignore that. But I built a milk contraption, so now I can get ready. So you have to be at Elijah's appointment at 1:30. It is 12:39 right now, so I'm gonna get ready. Just trying out something for him to be able to listen to, so it's not too quiet.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona.
On the way to Elijah's appointment finally. It's 1:20. Yeah, I was going to be there in 10 minutes. But when I was leaving the house, I couldn't find my car keys, and of course they were in the diaper bag. So I wasted time doing that. So that was really nice. Wasted 10 minutes, but it's fine. So now I'm going to get there at 1:42. His appointment's at 1:45. They wanted me to be there 15 minutes early. That's not going to happen at this point. And of course, God and everyone is out right now. I don't know what that's about. I feel like every time I'm in a hurry, everyone and their mom is out.
All your favorite melodies, strangers to lovers, enemies. So I'll dance with your ghost in the living room, falling in love, no it ain't for the weak. So don't try this at home.
I literally play this song 6 different times on my car rides. Gotta get him undressed a little bit so they can do their exam. He's so scrunched up. He's so tired. Just got him situated. He's about to fall asleep on me, so hopefully they come soon. We need them to be in a bad mood for the exam. We're just chilling, waiting. He's still trying to wake up a little bit. He is so cute. And I'm a little bit biased because I'm his mom, but I just can't even handle it. I can't even handle your little face. I just can't. Okay. We just got done with Elijah's appointment. The doctor literally came in there and he was like, he's normal. And I was like, what? And he just was looking at me like, oh my God. And I was like, I just kept going, huh? Because it's just like, I don't know, we've been trying to make this appointment for like weeks to get him to see this urologist, and they're really booked out when I first made it, and then the last time I got my days mixed up with this next appointment I'm about to go to. So I've been like really worried and waiting to get it checked out, and the issue literally resolved itself. So that's wonderful. Crazy news, because everyone is, and like his pediatrician was saying like she didn't want him to have to have a surgery. Clearly I was making a TikTok while we were waiting for the doctor. She wanted him to have a procedure done, so I was, you know, naturally being an anxious mom, but that's wonderful freaking news. But now we get to leisurely make our way over to the respiratory clinic now. I have to pick up his pulse ox because we're doing a 24-hour pulse ox test tonight. Not 24-hour, but just like a 8-hour pulse ox test tonight. That is just to finalize that his breathing is fine, he's good, and we can officially write that off, and he is all good to go medically, and we can just continue with regular newborn visits. So my car in park, so this guy doesn't think I'm getting out of here right now. Anyways, I will see you guys when we get to the respiratory office. Just picked up his pulse ox, so you can get that going. It's just like the one at the hospital, thank goodness. So super easy for me to use, and she even gave me a quick little rundown real fast, just so I feel extra confident. But now we're gonna go home. I'm really hungry. I forgot to eat lunch before he left the house, so I was too busy getting him a bottle and getting all of our stuff ready to go. So I saw McDonald's down the street. My phone died, so I have to really use my navigation skills to get out of here. But I'm just gonna backtrack from how I came from the main road, and hopefully, you know, I feel like we're near the hospital that he was born at from what it looks like, but we shall see from out here when I get a good look. But I'm really sure. But I'm gonna stop at this McDonald's because I'm hungry and I don't need to overwork my body. I've been noticing certain like postpartum symptoms now, and a lot of it gets triggered by like anxiety and things like that. So I don't want to get my body, you know, into a fight or flight mode. That definitely happened last time I was out and we had appointments. So I'm gonna get food, find my way home hopefully, and a quarter pounder with cheese meal, a medium with a Sprite, and that'll be it.
Want that quarter pounder meal be medium?
Yes, please. I definitely, oh my gosh, curb. I definitely cannot get McDonald's and not get something for Riley, so he'll have something when he gets home. They're doing PT late today, so he will definitely be wanting a little snack, and he loves McDonald's with like a passion. So I just want some chicken nuggets, and I also got a little hamburger too, because sometimes I just can't decide what I want. We successfully made it home. I just got Elijah situated on his little chair, and I'm going to pick up the kitchen and just get ready for dinner. The dogs made a huge mess when I got them inside earlier today, so I'm gonna clean that up right now also. So we're just gonna do a little cleaning time. I like to set a timer for like 20-30 minutes and just grind out cleaning, or if it's like editing or things like that, because ever since I've had Elijah, and I think this is just the trick with me in general that I should have been doing for a long time, if I have that set amount of time to just know that I have set out for one task, it's a lot easier for me to stay focused and to not get all caught up in doing other things, because that's like my toxic trait, if you will. I will start doing one thing and then I'll think of like 2 other things I should get done in the day, and I'll start doing those things, and it's like all of a sudden there's not enough time in the day to do anything because I haven't completed one single task, and that just eats me up. So I'm gonna set a timer right now for about 20 minutes just to focus on doing the kitchen, getting the dishes switched out, switching new ones in. I like to empty the dishwasher or do a load in the morning and then empty the dishwasher at night so it's empty for after dinner, and that load can run. I empty it in the morning, and then there's so on and so forth. I'm gonna do a video about how I just keep up with my house, because I was watching one recently and I thought this was really interesting, especially since I'm like younger and things like that. I wanted to do a video of just like how I look after my space, because I feel like we're all in the area of like either wanting to move out, we have moved out, or whatever, and it's just a learning process all the time. I'm always coming up with new ways of how to better juggle just all the hats I wear in a day, and the taking care of the house hat is the one that gets kind of not neglected, but it's harder for me to not get overwhelmed with. So let's get started.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
This folk socks so much better than the one they had at hospital. So one the hospital would still read it even if it wasn't on right, and it would just read like whatever it could when it wouldn't always be the correct number. This one doesn't even pick up at all if it's not on correctly, so that makes me feel so much better that I won't accidentally, you know, like mess it up. But he's doing really good right now. I just like strung it up his side just for easy access to it. This number is what's important to watch for. As long as it's over 90, he's passing. He's just gonna wear it for between 6 and 8 hours. So I'm going to start it now. So hopefully when he does his first feeding, at between like 5:30, 6:15 in the mornings, usually when he wants to eat, I'll be able to just go ahead and take it off of him. Good morning, everyone. It is a new day. Well, I just said good morning. Also, he just finished his morning bottle. I'm about to eat my breakfast. But we have to take back his test today. He did so freaking good. I hope it's enough. I gave him like 7 hours and 45 minutes with it on, so hopefully that's enough, because it was a struggle getting that much time just with putting something Velcro on a newborn's foot. I'm hoping to do some things around the house today. I need to edit and get on top of my you know, uploads for this week. I'm trying very hard to get really good into the swing of uploading vlogs more often. Just make me feel good, and having a cleaner house would be nice, and also just catching up on work, and obviously that one errand so we can get the results back that Elijah is just done with all of this oxygen mess finally. Wouldn't that be so fun? Wouldn't that be so fun if we found out you're all good? I mean, we already know that, but just getting it on paper would be nice. But anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit.